Apps that pay real cash are easiest to trust when they explain exactly how rewards work, what you need to do, and how you receive your money before you spend time using them. By the end, you'll know how to identify cash reward apps with clear rules, what details to check before signing up, and how to avoid apps with confusing earning systems. The first thing to check is how the app explains its rewards. A reliable cash app should clearly show how users earn money, what activities qualify, and how rewards are redeemed. If an app uses complicated points, unclear levels, or vague descriptions, it becomes harder to know whether your time is actually worth it. Check the reward section before completing any tasks. The second thing to check is the payment process. A trustworthy app explains available payout methods, redemption steps, and any requirements that need to be completed before receiving cash. Before using an app regularly, find the withdrawal section and read the instructions. This helps you understand the process instead of discovering rules after spending hours earning rewards. Another important detail is transparency around offers and activities. Some apps provide rewards through surveys, games, shopping, or other tasks. The app should explain what each activity provides and how rewards are tracked. You should also check whether the app explains account rules clearly. Reward platforms usually have guidelines about acceptable use, and following those rules helps prevent problems with your account. User reviews can help you find common issues. Look for repeated complaints about missing rewards, unclear payment rules, or difficulty contacting support. One negative review does not always mean an app is bad, but repeated problems from many users can show warning signs. The best way to test a reward app is to start small. Complete a few tasks, check whether rewards appear correctly, and try the redemption process before spending more time. A good cash reward app does not need complicated promises. It should make the earning process, reward system, and payment steps easy to understand. To summarize, check the reward rules, understand the payout process, and test an app before committing your time. Your next step is to read the terms and withdrawal details before creating an account. If this guide helped you compare cash reward apps more carefully, like the video, and subscribe for more practical earning guides.